Today, I'd like to offer a reflection and brief discussion on the Exodus story. We know the story of the Exodus from the Bible. God has commissioned Moses to free the people of Israel, the Hebrews, from slavery in Egypt. He goes to the Pharaoh. The Pharaoh refuses to let the people go. God inflicts a series of plagues upon the Egyptians. And finally, the Pharaoh relents and says that the Hebrews, the Israelites, can leave Egypt. They celebrate the Passover. The next day, they leave. They're entering into the wilderness. They're about to cross the Red Sea when the Pharaoh sends out his army to chase them. He relents yet again. And so the people of Israel flee through the Red Sea. The army of the Pharaoh is caught in the mud. Their chariot wheels are caught in the mud, and they all drown, and God is gloriously victorious. Then the chosen people begin to wander through the desert, an experience that will last for 40 years. And what's noteworthy during this time is how often they, as the Bible says, murmur against God. They complain almost from the day that they leave Egypt. They don't have enough water. They don't have enough food. They wish they could go back to Egypt. And God, even though he is upset with them, continues to provide for them. He provides them water. He provides them manna. He provides them quail. And so they are taken care of. And eventually, the story says that they ended their time of wandering and entered into the land of Canaan, where they had to conquer the Canaanite peoples who were there. So we now know that the story of the Exodus, as it is told in the Bible, is not factual, but it's still true. It's true because we know and we believe that God is still the one who cares for us, just as he cared for his chosen people. Even when we murmur, even when we complain, we may be unfaithful to God. We may complain to God, but God never gives up on us. God is always faithful to us. And that's one of the truths that we can learn from the Exodus story.